Hey, I was just sat rewatching a God of War Ragnarok playthrough on YouTube, and I randomly thought of something. How many minions would it take to kill Kratos? Yeah, the minions from Despicable Me versus Kratos, the God of War and Ghost of Sparta. And to answer this, there will be a lot of estimates, and we're doing the battle in a scientifically stupid way. We calculate the minions' height, mass, strength, and durability. We calculate Kratos' strength and durability across 3 tiers, and we're going to scale everything relative to a normal human as 1x. And then we just find out exactly how many minions need to dogpile Kratos to put him down. And yes, we're ignoring immortality for both sides, as both are said to be quote unquote immortal, and frankly, that makes it boring. So, durability and raw force only. To calculate literally anything, we need baseline stats. From the Minions wiki and multiple online sources, it said minions are 1.1 meters tall. Humans on average are 1.75 meters tall, and around 70 kgs. To calculate the minion's weight, we scale height accordingly first. The height ratio equals 1.1 meters for minions divided by 1.75 meters for humans, getting 0.63 meters. Both mass and volume scale with height, so 0.63 cubed is 0.25 or 1/4. So, adjusted minion mass is 70 kgs times 0.25, which equals 17.5 kgs. But minions are barrel shaped, not human shaped. So, let's just estimate about 28 kgs per minion due to their circular body. Strength scales on cross-sectional area, which means we can figure out by squaring the height. Height is 0.63, and the area equals 0.63 squared, and that equals 0.40. Therefore, minion strength equals 0.40x human strength. That means 1 minion equals 40% of a normal adult's physical power. Durability also scales with height squared. Same mechanics as muscle and skeleton strength. So, minion durability equals 0.40x human durability. We build Kratos' stats using 3 tiers, each based on proven feats. We ignore immortality and regeneration, just physical strength and durability. Tier 1 is conservative Kratos. His physical feats include things like overpowering multi-ton creatures, punching through stone pillars, lifting and throwing enemies weighing 20 to 200 tons, and pushing mechanisms that would require industrial machinery. Kratos has an impressively strong physique, built like a bodybuilder. I'd place Kratos in the open/professional competitors bracket of bodybuilding because of how his physique looks. These competitors commonly deadlift between 250 kg and 280 kg. So, let's say 250 kg for Kratos. Kratos also moves multi-ton objects casually. So baseline, conservative Kratos' strength is 10,000 times human strength. And his durability is also 10,000 times. Tier 2 is mid-Kratos. This tier includes the high-end Greek feats. Feat 1, Poseidon Fight. Kratos overpowers Poseidon, whose attacks generate continent-scale floods, and the hydrodynamic energy output easily reaches over trillions of joules. Kratos tanks and overpowers this directly. Feat 2, Zeus Fight. Zeus creates storms that would require gigaton level energy to produce. Kratos not only survives this, he defeats Zeus in direct combat. Feat 3 is important, as it is vital in estimating Kratos' true strength. Kronos is fan estimated at 487 meters tall. There are a few factors with a titan like Kronos. His body has multiple mountain and rock forms. Due to the materials of Kronos and his sheer size, his flesh and skin would be rock-like, and his mass would be around 3 times denser than human flesh. Along with this, we need to calculate the mass, which is mass equals the height cubed. Step 1 is height ratio. 487 meters divided by 1.75 meters equals 278. So Kronos is 278 times taller than a human. Step 2 is mass scaling. Mass scales with height cubed. So 278 cubed, which is 278 times 278 times 278 equals 21,484,952, which is rounded up to 21.5 million. So Kronos has 21.5 million times the mass of a human. Step 3. Multiply by human mass. Human mass equals 70 kgs. 21.5 million times 70 kgs equals 1.5 times 10 to the power of 9 kgs. This gives 1.5 billion kgs for a human density Kronos. Times that roughly by 3.1, as rocks are far denser than humans, and with the rounding we get 4.7 billion kgs. So Kronos as a 487 humanoid would weigh 4.7 times 10 to the power of 9 kgs, or 4.7 billion kilograms, which is approximately 4.7 million tons. Kratos climbs him, damages him, survives hits from him, and kills him. That level of force places Kratos at 100,000 times human strength, and also 100,000 times human durability. Tier 3 is peak Kratos. This includes the true god-killing, world-altering feats. Kratos killed many world-altering gods. Poseidon's death flooded the world. Helios' death dimmed the sun. And Gaia's fall shook continents. And these aren't metaphors. They happened physically. He can match Zeus's full power. This requires surviving and countering energies equivalent to mountain level to continent level output. And he has Titan level destruction. Kratos kills beings with masses measured in millions of tons, with durability far above any earthly material. I estimate peak Kratos sitting comfortably at 1 million times human strength and 1 million times human durability. Now we apply the versus battle scaling system. The formula is actually very simple. It's minions needed equals Kratos durability divided by minion durability. We established minion durability equals 0.40 times human durability. So, minions durability equals Kratos durability divided by 0.40. Let's do each tier. Conservative Kratos. Kratos durability is 10,000x. Minions durability is 0.40x. 10,000 divided by 0.40 equals 25,000 minions. Mid Kratos. Kratos durability equals 100,000x. Minion durability equals 0.40x. 100,000 divided by 0.40 equals 250,000 minions. Peak Kratos. Kratos durability equals 1 million x. Minion durability equals 0.40x. A million divided by 0.40 equals 2.5 million minions. So, after calculating minion strength and durability, Kratos durability and strength, the power and size of titans and gods, and ignoring immortality on both sides, here's the final answer. To kill the god of war, you need 25,000 minions to beat conservative Kratos, 250,000 minions to beat mid Kratos, and 2.5 million minions to beat peak Kratos. Imagine that. You'd need an entire minion nation stacked shoulder to shoulder, dogpiling the ghost of Sparta in a whirlwind of 2.5 million minions. So, yeah, that's how many minions it takes to kill Kratos.